Introduction Miarti, Crochet and Knitting. Cast on a multiple of 11 stitches. Row 1. Pull up 10 loops. Work 4 loops in the return pass. Three stitches together, 4 stitches. Pull up 3 loops, work 3 stitches together, and pull up the remaining loops. Work 3 stitches in the return pass, 3 stitches together, and work another 3 stitches. Pull up 2 loops, 3 stitches together, and the remaining 3 stitches. Work 2 stitches in the return pass, 3 together, 2 stitches. Pull up loops, work 1, 3 together, and 1 stitch. Pull up loops and work 3 stitches together. Work 5 slip stitches. Repeat the same pattern to the end of the row. Row 2. Change the yarn color and make a loop. Work 5 chain stitches. Pull up 5 loops and 1 from the side. Work 3 stitches together and work the remaining stitches in the return pass. Repeat the same process until only 1 stitch remains. Slip stitch. Pull up 10 loops. Repeat our pattern to the end of the row. Pull up 7 loops, 2 together, and then work 1 stitch at a time. Pull up loops and decrease this way to shape the piece. Alternate row 1 and row 2 from here. You can continue changing yarn colors or alternate them as desired.